Good morning, students. So last time we have seen what is meant by average and some of the clues related to the average, and then we have solved exercise 12.1. Now today we are going to see exercise 12.2 and 12.3, some of the examples, and remaining examples you will solve them as homework. So 12.2, first example. If the mean of x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 11, what is the average of the last three numbers? So what are the given numbers? 12.2 first one. The mean of x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 11. Okay. Now see here, how many numbers are there? Count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. And secondly, there is a common difference. Increases by plus 2. Do you get it? X, x plus 2. Plus 2, x plus 4. Plus 2, x plus 6. Plus 2, x plus 8. Now in that case, when there are odd numbers, so middle number is equivalent to the average or mean, right? So don't use the formula, use the clue. This mean is given, but the mean given is 11, right? So that means x plus 4 is equivalent to 11. Bring that 4 to this side. So x is equal to 11 minus 4, that is 7. Okay, now they have asked average of last three numbers. So let us find the last three numbers. So x plus 4, that is 7 plus 4 is 11. X plus 6, that is 7 plus 6, that is 13. And x plus 8, that is 7 plus 8 is 15. And again, arrange them in ascending order. Now there are three numbers, so middle number is the average, that is mean. Now you can see here, I have not utilized the average formula, just the clue that I know, and hence the option number second. Option 2 is the right answer. Okay, let's move to the next example. Now see second, the average of the students of a class is 12 years. The average of first 15 of them is 10 years. And the average of the age of the remaining is 13 years. How many students are there in the class? Okay. Now, do I know the number of students? I don't know. Okay. So, suppose if I assume number of students be x. I am solving second, number of students x. Now average of this is given, that is 12. Okay. Now can I get sum of ages? Sum of ages of x students. What it will be? Yes, of course, 12x. Right? Why? Because average is equal to sum of the ages of the students divided by total number of students. Now my total number is x and average is 12. So 12 into x. So 12x. That is equivalent to sum of ages of the students. Okay. Then they have said the average of 15 of them is 10 years. Average of 15 of them is 10 years. So I can find sum of the ages of these 15 students, right? So sum of ages of 15 students. What it will be? Yes, exactly. 15 into 10, that is 150. Okay, then what they say? And the average of the remaining is 13 years. Do I know the remaining students? I don't know. Okay, so remaining students. Number of remaining students. How I can get? See here, total number of students x. First 15. So left how I can get remaining students x minus 15. Okay. Now their average is given. So I can get sum of their ages. So average of these students is given. It is 13. Right? Okay. Now, so sum of these remaining students, sum of ages of these students, what it will be? Yes, 13 into x minus 15. Right? So that will come out to be 13x minus 13 5 is 65, 6 carry on, 13 on the 13 plus 6, 19. So I got. Now keep this in mind. Sum of the ages, the total sum of the ages of all the students should be equal to sum of ages of 15 students plus sum of ages of the remaining students. Okay, so I will write here. Therefore, sum of ages of x students, that is total number of students, that should be equal to sum of ages of 15 students plus sum of ages of remaining students. I hope you understand. Okay. Now, what is sum of ages of x students? That is total number of students. It is 12x. Okay. And sum of ages of 15 students, 150. Plus sum of ages of remaining students, that is 13x minus 195. Okay. Now, 150 minus 195. So, 12x is equal to 13x minus 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 4, 5, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring this 45 to this side and 12x to this side. Okay. So 45 is equal to 13x minus 12x. So 45 is equal to x. What is x? Number of students. And so option number 3rd. Okay, that is the answer. So let's move to the next example. Now see 4th example. The average of 3 numbers is 50. Second number is greater than the first by 3, but smaller than the third by 9. Okay, so find the second number. Okay, so we are solving 4th example. Average of 3 numbers. Average of 3 numbers is 50. So can I get sum of 3 numbers? Yes. So sum of the 3 numbers, what it will be? 50 into 3, that is 150. Now what they say? Second number is greater than the first by 3. Do I know the numbers? I don't know. So first number, bx. So second number, what it will be? Second number is greater than the first by 3. So x plus 3. And the third number. But it is smaller than the third by 9. Means what? Third number is greater than the second by 9. So x plus 3 plus 9. So that is x plus 12. Now, sum of all these numbers is equivalent to 150. Okay. So, x plus x plus 3 plus x plus 12. That is equal to 150. So, x plus x, 3x. And 12 plus 3, 15. That is equal to 150. So, 3x is equal to 150 minus 15. So, 3x is equal to 135. So x is equal to 135 upon 3. So that is 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So x is equal to 45. I want the second number. So second number is x plus 3. So that is 45 plus 3. That is equivalent to 48. So option number, yes, option 2. Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Fifth one, in Vidyarthi Sanchayika Bank, a girl deposited rupees 185 in first 10 months. The average saving of the whole year is less than the average saving of the first 10 months by 0.50. Find the savings in the last 2 months of the year. Now, see, first thing, deposition in first 10 months. Amount deposited in first 10 months. First 10 months. How much it is? Rupees 185. Okay, can I get the average? Yes, I can. So therefore, average of first 10 months. Because why I need this? Because the average of the whole year is less than the average of the first 10 months by 0.50. Okay, so average of first 10 months what? 185 upon 10. Total number of our total amount deposited divided by total number of months. So 10 months. So it comes out to be 18.5. Now what they say? The average savings of the whole year is less than the average savings of the first 10 months by rupees 0.50. So average of whole year, that means 12 months. Average of 12 months. Now this average is smaller than this average of 10 months by 0.5. So what is the average? 18 is the average. Now can I get sum of the amount deposited in 12 months? Yes, I can. Yes, therefore sum of amount deposited in 12 months. How I can find? 12 into 18. Simple. Average multiplied by total number of months. Okay. So 12 8s are 96. 9 carry on. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 9. 21. So total sum deposited in 12 months is 216. Amount deposited in 10 months is 185. Can I get the amount deposited in 10 months? 2 months. Last 2 months. So therefore, amount deposited in last 2 months, that is equal to 216 minus 185. So 6 minus 5, 1. 11 minus 8, 3. That is the answer. So option number 4. Option 4 is the answer. Okay. So let's move to the next example. Now exercise 12.3, first example. A batsman scored an average sum runs in 10 innings. He scored 48 runs in the 11th innings. Thereby, his average runs came down by 2. What were his average runs in 11 innings? Now see, he has scored at an average sum runs in 10 innings. We don't know anything. So first what we'll do, we'll assume the average to be x. Let the average runs scored in 10 innings be x. Okay, now can I get the total runs scored in 10 innings? Yes. I know the average, I know total number of innings. So total runs scored in 10 innings. what it will be? Yes, 10x. Right? Now they have given that the runs scored in 11th inning it is 48. Right? He has scored 48 runs in the 11th inning, and thereby his average runs came down by 2. So average runs, average after 11 innings, all means first 10 plus this 1. So average after 11 innings, it came by 2. What is initial average? X. So now it came by 2. That means x minus 2. Can I get the runs scored in all 11 innings? Yes, I can. So runs scored in 11 innings. What it will be? 11 into x minus 2. Okay, so that is 11x minus 22. These are the runs scored in 11 innings. I know runs scored in 10 innings. I know runs scored in 11th inning. So let us equate them. We can add this 2. That should be equal to this. So runs scored in 11 innings. That should be equal to runs scored in 10 innings plus runs scored in 11th inning. Now see, runs scored in 11 innings, 11x minus 22. Runs scored in 10 innings, 10x. And runs scored in 11th innings, that is 48. Okay, now bring this 10x to this side, it becomes minus. Bring this minus 22 to this side, it will become plus. So 11x minus 10x, that is equal to 48 plus 22. Now 11x minus 10x, yes, x. X is equal to 48 plus 22, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry on, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So x is 70. I want average of 11 innings. So this is x minus 2. So average of 11 innings, that is x minus 2. That is 70 minus 2. That is 68. So option number 4. Okay, so let's move to the next example. Now see third one, the average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 12. How many times is the smallest number? That of the greatest number. Now again here some clues. No need to solve as actual by formulae. Okay, so what are the 5 consecutive even number? X, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. These are the 5 consecutive even numbers. Difference is of 2 because even numbers, right? Now their average is given to be 12. Okay, so we know that there are 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So average is equivalent to the middle number. And this average is given to be 12, right? This average is given to be 12. So that means x plus 4 is equivalent to 12. So x is equal to 12 minus 4, that is 8. Now, so this is the smallest number. So smallest number, that is 8. Greatest number, that is x plus 8, that is 8 plus 8, 16. Now, what they have asked, how many times is the smallest number that of the greatest number? So, smallest number upon greatest number. So, that is 8 upon 16, that is 1 upon 2. So, option number second. Half time. It is half, right? So it is half of the greatest number. So option number 2. Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Now fifth example. The average of Mahesh and Deepak is 13 years and that of Deepak and Aarti is 20 years. If the sum of ages of Aarti and Mahesh is 36, then what is Aarti's age? Now see, average of Mahesh and Deepak. So average of Mahesh and Deepak is how many years? Is 13 years. That is their average age. Okay, can I get sum of the ages? Sum of ages of Mahesh and Deepak. What it will be? 13 into 2. Why 2? Because there are two now, two people, two students. So 13 2s are 26. Okay, then it is said that of Deepak and Aarti is 20 years. So average age of Deepak and Aarti is 20 years. Can I get the sum of their ages? So sum of ages of Deepak and Aarti is 20 into 2, that is 40. Okay, and they have given the sum of ages of Aarti and Mahesh is 36. Sum of ages of Aarti and Mahesh is how much? 36. Now see, what you do, add all the sums. Okay, means what? See, I am writing shortcuts. Sum of ages of M plus D is 26. Sum of ages of Deepak plus Aarti is 40. Sum of ages of Aarti plus Mahesh is how much? 36. Add them all. See what happens. See here, 2M, 2A, 2D. So I will write it like this. 2 into bracket A plus M plus D. I hope you understand. Okay. And 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry on. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Now divide both sides by 2. So what we will get? A plus M plus D, that is equal to 102 upon 2, that is 51. Okay. Now see, so what I got? Sum of ages of Aarti plus Mahesh plus Deepak I have got to be 51. Now I want to find age of Aarti. So what I will do? I will subtract age of Mahesh and Deepak. Do I know the sum of ages of Mahesh and Deepak? Yes, I know. 26. Okay. So what I will do? A plus M plus D, that is equal to how much? 51 minus M plus D, that is Mahesh and Deepak, that is 26. Okay, so minus, so this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this becomes minus. You are well acquainted with the sign changes, algebraic expressions, right? Plus M minus M cancel, plus D minus D cancel, left is A. Now A, so 11 minus 6, 5, 4 minus 2, 2. So Aarti's age is how much? 25. That is the answer. So option number 4. Option 4. Do you get it? Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Now see sixth example. What is the average of 7 numbers preceding 7, each decreasing by half? Okay. So first we should find out 7 numbers preceding 7. And each decreasing by half. Okay. Now here, so first number is 6 and half. Then next is 6. Next is 5.5. Then next is 5. Then 4.5. Then 4. And last 3.5. Decreasing by half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now see, odd numbers. So middle number should be the average of it. So this is the average of all that 7 numbers. So option number 4. Option 4 is the right answer. Okay. So no need to use the formulas or anything else. Just use the clues. You will get the answer. So dear students, let us stop here today. I hope whatever the examples I have taken you have understood, and so try to solve the remaining examples. And so we'll stop here and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.